We have a master gardener, bonsai guru, cleaning up our spruce. There's the haircut. And there's the master. How's it coming?
Good.
Looks really nice and clean.
Yeah. A little hard in these quarters, but I'm almost done.
Yeah, it looks great.
There's a compound that you can put in all these cuts, and I unfortunately bought them back in the mid-'80s, and I added some oil to them, some olive oil, and it softened it up. I think it's soft enough I can cover them, and it, you know, because that's a big exposed wound.
Yep.
So I'll try that. If not, I'll order it. You got to order it online.
Hey, just tell me what to get and we'll get it.
I will get it for myself because it really isn't going to take that much. So I'll be using it for other things. But
Okay. Sounds good. Looks awesome. Can't wait to see it grow now that it's had a haircut.
Well, and I didn't want to do any more because it's gonna grow up and out, and we'll just kind of play it by ear and see what happens year by year.
Yep, exactly. We'll check out its growth spurts and we'll feed it.
And once you get that tree down, I think all these roots are coming from that tree over there.
Okay.
So they'll be taking less water from this.
Yep. And I'll start watering it too. I mean, I'll
Okay, this one here belongs to this.
Okay.
So leave that. But the rest of these, I believe, are coming from over there. And I'm going to, not now, but I'm going to try to trim this off. And then we'll just fill it up with dirt. So it's just starting to show a widening of the trunk.
Okay, cool.
Otherwise, I'm done today.